should be able to go down someplace around here. Take a look around.
Harrison here. We've found the Professor. You'll be relieved to know that he's not a Nightwalker. Professor Foley?
Who are you?
U.S. Special Forces, sir. We are here to rescue you.
Rescue me?
You were abducted by the Nightwalkers?
Well, yes, but...
We'll get you home, sir. But before we go, there's something I'd like to know. How many Prime Walkers are there in this city?
Prime Walkers? Oh, you mean the elite. There are 4 that reign over this city. Edward, James, Margaret, and Charles.
4? I've never heard of that. I always thought that one Prime ruled over one city.
We'll never be able to exterminate them.
Exterminate? The elite walkers?
It's our sworn duty to protect our nation from the Nightwalker threat.
The Nightwalker threat? And what do you think they are? Modern-day vampires?
Are you saying they're not?
Absolutely. Well, probably not. I can't really say, and I believe the walkers don't know themselves. Since my abduction, they've had me doing research to help them find out what they are.
Find out what they are?
That's right. I haven't completed my research yet, but I have formed a theory.
And what is that?
Actually, it's more of a logical conclusion than an actual theory. First, Nightwalkers attack humans to create more Nightwalkers. Second, Nightwalkers cannot reproduce. Given these 2 conditions, there's only one possible conclusion.
Hanson to Captain Harrison. You've got Nightwalkers heading your way. Get out of there now!
We've got to escape before they find us.
Escape? My research isn't finished yet.
Come on!
Hanson, get me a map of this area.
Hanson to Captain. You should be able to escape if you take the underpass. I'll mark the standby location of the command vehicle.
Our main priority is to get the Professor out of there. Come on, let's go. We can't go any further unless we do something. We need a pair of eyes on the civilians. then somebody's going to have to close the steam valve.
I'll take care of the valve.
Lloyd, close the steam valve. Lloyd, the valve, please. There's a Nightwalker coming up behind you. Lloyd, open the valve and block the Nightwalker. Lloyd, the valve, please. There's a Nightwalker coming up behind you. Lloyd, open the valve and block the Nightwalker. Move it, will ya?
I forgot about the research data I left in the warehouse.
Forget about it, sir.
It's got everything you'd want to know about the Nightwalkers. I don't think your superiors will be too happy if they found out you left it behind.
Blast it.
Listen, all you have to do is take that road to the right to get to the warehouse. Everything's stored on a disk that I left by the computer.
This is where the disk is located.
I'll get the disc.
Use this key to get into the warehouse.
Harrison here. We made it out to the surface. We're now making our way to the command vehicle.